One way to monitor the health of a body of water is to monitor the organisms in the water itself. And one of the fears of having a power plant or any type of industrial complex next to the river is the fact that they may pollute it. Well, one way to monitor that is by monitoring the organisms in the water, and we primarily focus on the macroinvertebrates, which are basically the things big enough to see that have a vertebra, and our concentration was on the fish in the water itself. So whenever they are supposed to clean the water and make it fit for human compatibility, they would discharge it into the water, and one thing we did was to monitor it was to measure the quality of the river upstream of the power plant and monitor it downstream. So we would look at the chemistry of the water, like the pH, the ions in the water, the conductivity, basically what there would be in the water, like some of the plankton and stuff like that. We would do plankton tows and monitor the microorganisms in the water as well. And we would put nets in the water to monitor for fish. So we would monitor the size of the fish, the quantity of the fish, basically how many fish there were, how many fish there were above and below the power plant, and basically looked at them for any type of growths or abnormalities that may be caused by water quality itself. Before the Zimmer Power Plant, we monitored Beckjord for a while, but when Beckjord closed down, we switched it to Zimmer because Zimmer is the closest. It's just about a mile upstream, and anything else with that is too far beyond reason for our station to monitor.